Traveling with your family or barkada and you need a multi-cab for your Siquijor Island tours? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Siquijor. Kuya Kenny Tourist Transport offers this multi-cab as your mode of transportation sa isla. This can accommodate 12 guests. Pagkalabas nyo ng Port of Siquijor, you will be welcomed by Kuya Joven na may welcoming placard bearing your name. A few minutes after, simulan na natin ang Siquijor Coastal Tour. But before that, let's appreciate the beautiful white sand beach just outside the port. First stop ay ang Welcome to Siquijor signage at ang St. Francis de Assisi Church na nasa labas lang mismo ng pantalan. Next, ang I Love Siquijor signage sa may Siquijor Boulevard. Kasama din sa pupuntahan ng Siquijor Coastal Tour ay ang famous white sand Paliton Beach, ang malamig na tubig sa Kapilay Spring, ang nakakalulang Pitogo Cliff, mag-fish pa sa may Old Enchanted Balete Tree, ang Hapitanan Broom Shot Challenge, ang twin tourist sites ng Lazi, ang San Isidro Labrador Church at Lazi Convent, magtampisaw sa refreshing cold waters ng Cambugahay Falls, ang Mulawi Man-Made Forest at ang beach sa Salagdoong at merienda sa Lilibets, Panbisaya. Kuya Kenny Tourist Transport charges 2,500 pesos for the Siquijor Coastal Tour. Kung 12 kayo sa family or barkada, nasa 209 pesos lang kada isa. By the way, if you need to include Kawayan Holiday Resort, they ask 300 pesos additional fee dahil malayo ito from the highway. Kuya Kenny Tourist Transport also caters to personalized tours para mapuntahan ang Lugnason Falls, Tubig Tubod, Lagaan Falls, Sambulawan Underground River, Tubod Marine Sanctuary, Tulapos Marine Sanctuary, at Bucafe. Please contact Kuya Kenny Tourist Transport's Facebook page for more details. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored another transportation option to explore Siquijor via Kuya Kenny Tourist Transport. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!